Did you know McDonald's doesn't actually make money from burgers? Here's the shocking truth. McDonald's is secretly one of the world's largest real estate companies. They own the land under almost every single franchise location across the globe. While you think they're flipping patties, they're actually collecting rent checks from franchisees every month. Over $40 billion in property assets sits in their portfolio right now. Ray Kroc figured this out from day one. His original business model was never about selling food. It was about buying prime real estate and letting other people pay for it through franchise fees. Every Big Mac sold helps pay McDonald's rent, not the other way around. And here's what this means for you as a small business owner. You're probably obsessing over your main product or service, but the real money might be hiding in plain sight. What assets do you already own? What recurring revenue streams are you overlooking? Sometimes the gold mine isn't what you're selling, it's what you're standing on.